Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Exness Broker to your MetaTrader 5 account and start trading right away. So first we need to open our Exness Broker app and get our login details. In this case, I will be using a demo account, but the method shown here is just the same as connecting a real account. Now, once the app opens, you'll see your account on the home page. I want you to click on the details buttons here, then slide the screen right to settings, then scroll to the bottom to get your server name and login ID and password. For security reasons, Exness is blocking my recorder from showing my login details. The next step is to open your MetaTrader 5 app and add your trading account by clicking on this button. Now paste your server name in the search field and hit enter. Click on the first result and type in your login ID and password. Then you are good to go and start trading. Thanks for watching the video, but please make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video if it was helpful. Then comment down your thoughts regarding the video or any other topic you want me to tackle next.